Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are staying safe, washing your hands and making sure that you're doing good during the season. So today we are baking. So today I am not alone, and we are going to be baking something like this. My sister, she is going to help me to do that today. So today is the eve of my birthday, and since I actually wanted this cake, or a cake like this, I'm seeing a cake like this, and to myself, you know what, I want this. I'm going to attempt to bake something along those lines. So I got the recipe and the way to make those kind of cakes from Foodies of SA, and yeah, we are going to get straight into the video. But before that, hope that you like, comment and subscribe, share this video, make sure that you stay safe, wash your hands, and last but not least, there's going to be a lot of noise. We are at home, so there's nothing that I can do about that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to combine the dry ingredients. So the dry ingredients are flour, salt, sugar, baking powder, and yeah, those are the dry ingredients. So for the flour, we are going to need 3 cups of flour. The recipe is down here, the instructions are here, so that's how we do it. One and 3/4 cups of sugar. So 3 of these and 1 of these. So it says 1 teaspoon salt, just gonna 1 teaspoon, eyeball that. And then it says 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh gosh. That time there were those other spoons. It's cool. It's what it is. It's what it is. Can you get the paper towels in? And that is all the dry ingredients. Then it says, what says add? So we're going to add the eggs, the milk, the oil, and the vanilla essence and mix. So we're gonna mix here. So now we pour it up, Oh, watch it out. I thought the white part of the egg would just like but you mixed it well. Okay, so the first batch of cupcakes has gone in, and then this batter is for... Hope you got it. We're on the same page. Same page. Whispers, Kit Kat, some mini Easter eggs, and then I will also decorate some stuff in the fridge, but we'll see.